ሆነ ይሄ ነው በቃ ጁና
Are we all going to stand around all night filming each other?
Yes.
Or
I won't. I'm not. But
Okay, record.
Just make
That's okay.
sure I don't take
No, record. That's okay. He can record. Even you want to stay on the light, that's okay too.
but we would like to
That's okay too. He wants to stay on the light, that's okay too. Because just thank you.
So if we-
This is the law
You
of
have-
the
you have
America.
security
Thank you.
cameras. You have
Yeah,
security cameras.
bless America. You know, this is the secret. Yeah. Thanks, American. You
I know,
know,
but I would like
this is the law.
I would like people to separate.
Yeah,
so we're
thank
all
you.
feeling
Thank you.
comfortable.
Yes, we are separate. You know, just like that. Thank you. በጣም ህግ ይውላችሁ እንደዚህ ነው።
No more fight.
ተመስገን ይውላችሁ። ነገ በህግ ደግሞ እናንተ ስትመጡ በሙሉ ነው የምናስረክባችሁ።
Why ስትመጣ አልተረከብክም ይሄንን?
ይኸው አሁንማ ውስጥ ነን ያለ ነው። አሁን ውስጥ ነን። አሁን ደብድባ አታስወጣ። ይኸው ቀኑ ኧረ እንደው እባክህ ሀብታሙ አሁን ተረክበናል። አሁን ተረከበ።
You guys leave and tomorrow you can review them and make sure that they didn't do anything that you don't want them to.
ተመስገን ቆመን ነው ያለው አሁን